Hi to all, myself RAJKUMAR. I am glad to introduce to you all again in this video. In this video, I am going to tell about our brain. Actually, our brain is the most important part of our human body. It almost controls all functions of our body. Let us learn about this brain in this video. There is a question in our mind that with how much part of the brain we can live and we can survive in our daily life. Is it with half brain or a quarter brain? If there is no brain, how can we survive? This question is somewhere right. To know more about it, let us get into the brain. Actually, the brain was divided into several divisions like forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. And it consists of several parts like cerebrum and cerebellum. The cerebrum, which controls the most essential functions of our human life, those are like reading abilities, speaking, thinking, and controlling all our emotions, and response for the heat, cold, and such type of changes. And the cerebellum, which controls the muscular activities and the balance. So actually, the brain is not only controlling our body, it is also controlling our personality. Personality means the way of behavior in our daily life. Now let us learn about this kind of changes, how the brain will control the functions and the personalities. We have some cases that which are made by the medical team by in some checkups. So let's look at the first case. About the brain controls the personality, we have a best example that Phineas Gage. Phineas Gage in 1843, a railway road worker, while loading his gun, accidentally his skull was impaled with a 43-inch long rod. And yet he also survived with that injury. And after his checkup in the hospital, he changed his social behavior. With this, we can change that the accident which is occurred to his brain was changed his personality and the behavior, social behavior in the society. And there is a next case in the China. Let us discuss about it. Actually, this is an interesting case that the 24 years old woman in China was suffering with nausea and dizziness. She went to an hospital and complained about these feelings, and the doctors done the CT scan, and they concluded that the woman was born without cerebellum in her brain. Yet without the cerebellum also, the woman was leading a good life. So with this, we can conclude that without some part of brain, we can also lead a good life. And in a case of USA, a child was survived without the forebrain. He survived 12 years without the forebrain in his life. With these all cases, we can conclude that the brain can function and have the ability to adapt the requirements over a period of time due to the neuroplasticity. So we can conclude that we can also live without the brain. With all these cases, they are survived with some part of the brain. So it is possible to live without some part of the brain. But actually, without brain, there is no humans on the earth. So thank you for watching this video. And do you want to learn more in our channel? Please subscribe to it and like it and share it. Thank you, and